Hello and welcome to this section on creating your very first Xamarin.Android app. I'm going to run you through creating an Android project. I'm going to talk to you about the different kinds of Android projects you can have. I'm also going to say a few words about the API levels or the versions of Android you should target at a minimum. Then I'm going to show you how to run this project on the simulator you installed previously. I'll take you on a little walkthrough with some detail here and there of the Android project layout, and that is more or less what you see in the image of this screen. I'm going to talk about what the folders do and what Android expects in terms of folder layout. Then I'm going to set you a task, which is to change a button from red to blue each time you press it. It sounds simple, but it requires a little bit of thought, and in the process you'll understand the connection between Android code and resource layouts. And finally, I'm going to give you the solution to that task. So let's get going.